Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Instant Pot BBQ Wings. First we're gonna start with our rub, and we're gonna use some salt. And I used about 2 tablespoons. Black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, ground coriander, rosemary, oregano, thyme. Now give this all a good mix. Let all the spices become friends. Let's make a spice party. And you can do a lot of spices, but I like the combination of those which I used. But you can do it how you like it. Now the spice mix is ready. They had a great party. Here come the wings. And I bought these at a local butchery. They look absolutely amazing. And we're gonna make more friends by combining the spices and the wings. And I put a lot on it because I really want to marinate it. Now give this a good massage. Let all the spices and all the wings cover each other. And when you're done, this needs to be refrigerated for about 4 hours. For the Instant Pot, we're gonna place a trivet. We don't want them to get soggy. We're also gonna put in some chicken stock for some extra flavors. Now put in the chicken and close the lid. Check if the valve is okay. Now we're gonna high pressure it for about 8 minutes. That should be enough to make them really cooked through and tender. Let's start depressurizing, and this takes about a minute. Now let's have a look inside. Oh yes, they already look amazing. Look at all those spices stick to it. Oh, and the aroma, delicious. Now we're gonna take them out and let them rest for 25 minutes. Take a large bowl and grab your favorite barbecue sauce. And mine is this sweet, smoky honey barbecue sauce. And we're gonna put half the bottle in. Oh yes, delicious. Oh man, come here you. Half a bottle will be enough. Put in our wings. And this is gonna be messy. But hey, it's delicious. Now give this a good massage. Oh yes. Oh, sticky. Oh yes, sticky. But I like it. Now this will be going in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. Take yourself a pan sheet and a wire rack and arrange the wings. We'll be putting them in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes on the broil setting. We really want to get them a little bit crispy and really hot. Now they're ready, and as I told you, they will go in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's do this. Now look at that beautiful sweet barbecue wings from the Instant Pot and the oven. Oh yes, this is gonna be good. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my barbecue wings. And if you're new, I hope you subscribe to the channel, give it a like and leave me a comment. I really enjoy reading all your comments. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill. See you there. And for more recipes, subscribe. Then you will be here for all the goodies, all the good stuff.